One of the most exciting new updates to Lottie Creator is its new MCP feature. In simple terms, you can now use AI tools like Codex, Claude, or Cursor to create and edit animations directly inside Lottie Creator. Think about it like this. You describe the animation you want, and it gets built for you inside Lottie Creator. No manual asset creation, no manual keyframing. Everything is generated for you. Now, let me show you how to connect your Lottie Creator projects to ChatGPT Codex for free. If you use Claude instead, the LottieFiles team already has a full tutorial. I'll link it in the description or comments. Before we begin, you will need to install two things, Node.js and Git. They are both free, and I will include their download links in the description or comments. I'll assume you already have Codex installed, so go to nodejs.org and download its installer. Open it and follow the default installation steps. I use Windows, so the steps may look slightly different on Mac or Linux. Next is Git. This is optional for connecting Lottie Creator to Codex, but you will need it later to install a motion design skill. To install Git, go to gitscm.com/install and download the version for your system. Run the installer and keep the default settings. Just make sure you set your favorite notepad app as the default editor. Now let's move on to Lottie Creator. Open your project on creator.lottiefiles.com. If you want to create something new, open a blank project. If you want to edit an existing animation, open that file instead. For this video, I'll be creating a new animation from scratch. Next, we need to set up Codex to connect with Lottie Creator using MCP. Open Codex and go to Settings. Click on Configuration and then open the config.toml file. The file will open in a text editor. Paste the LottieFiles MCP server code into it and save. I will include the code in the description or comments of this video. Restart Codex. Now go to the settings and open MCP servers. If everything is set up correctly, you will see the LottieFiles Creator MCP server listed there. Next, we need to activate the MCP server. Codex does not automatically start it on Windows, so you will need to trigger it with a prompt. For example, I will ask Codex to create an AI loading animation. It will process the request and they say it cannot run it yet because Lottie Creator is not connected. That is expected. Now, go back to your Lottie Creator project. Open Settings, then MCP Settings, and then click Enable MCP. If the connection is successful, you will see a message that says Local MCP Bridge Connected. You will also see a small MCP icon at the top of the interface. Now return to Codex and tell it that Lottie Creator is connected. It will load the animation into your project and then give you a short explanation of what it created. And that's it. You can now use Codex to create and edit animations directly inside of Lottie Creator. Now, let's take it a step further. You can install a motion design skill to improve the quality of your animations. Think of it as a guide for your AI. It helps create smoother, more polished animations with better timing and easing. The LottieFiles team provides a free motion design skill that works with over 40 AI tools. Here is how to install it. Open Command Prompt, paste and run this installation code. This is where Git is required. If Git is not installed, you get an error saying that the repository cannot be cloned. If Git is installed, the process will run smoothly. You will be asked where to install the skill. Choose Global so you can use it across projects. If you still get an error, despite Git being installed, restart your computer and try again. Restart Codex after installing the skill. Go to Plugins and then Skills and check the Personal section. You will see the motion design skill there. You can click on it to learn more about the skill, what it does and how it functions. That's it. You now have a free motion design assistant that handles repetitive tasks while you focus on creative direction. Please like this video and subscribe if you found it helpful. Cheers.